Good morning, students. Happy morning to all. How are you, dears? Hope you all are fine and doing great in our home. Okay, I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. What we studied in our last class? In our last class, we see about come let us play, right? Come let us play. Come let us play. My dear children, we all heard your voice note. That was super good. Okay? You have to respond every day like this. Okay? We are hearing your voice note about these 3 sentences yesterday. It was too good. Keep doing your assignment with full effort. Okay? Are you excited to see today's session? Yes, dears? Shall we start? What we studied yesterday? Come, let us play. Come, let us play. The dogs are playing cricket. The dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. The rat wants to join. The rat asked, "May I play with you? May I play with you?" The dog replied, "But the game has started. But the game has started. Sorry, you are late. Sorry, you are late." The rabbit is flying a kite. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. The rat wants to join. So the rat asked, "May I fly your kite? May I fly your kite?" The rabbit replied, "But I have only one. But I have only one." Next one. The monkeys. The monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join. So the rat asked, "May I play with you? May I play with you?" The rat replied, "But rats cannot swing." Sorry, the monkey replied, "But rats cannot swing." Next one. The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat wants to join. So the rat asked, "May I hop with you? May I hop with you?" But the frogs replied, "No, no. The only 2 can play this game. No, no. Only 2 can play this game." Which game? Hopscotch. Hopscotch is a game which is played by only 2. Okay? Next one. The rat is building a sand castle. Sand castle means a castle which is done by a wet sand. Okay? Wet sand. Sand castle. மணல் வீடு கட்டுவாங்க இல்லையா? sand castle. A castle done by a wet sand is called sand castle. Have you all used to do this in a beach side likewise? Yes, we used to do this kind of building, this kind of sand castle in a beach side along with our friends, right? So likewise the rat also building a sand castle. Sand castle was built by rat. Okay, sand castle was built by rat. The rat is building a sand castle. Everyone wants to join him. Everyone wants to join him. Everyone wants to join with the rat. What the rat say? I will play alone, because rat is asking everyone to play with them, asking monkey, asking frog to play with them, but no one accept rat. So the rat thinks to play alone. Rat thinks to play alone. Alone means taniyaga. So the rat decides to play alone. Here is a rabbit saying, hey, look at that, a sand castle. What the rabbit say? Hey, look at that, a sand castle. So it asked his friends, monkeys, dogs, about to see the sand castle. The rat say, I will play alone, so that he decided to build a sand castle. Then it came the rabbit. The rabbit asked his friends to see. Hey, look at that, a sand castle. Monkey replied, shall we join him? Shall we join him? So the monkeys, dogs, rabbits wants to join with the rabbit to play sand castle. To play sand castle. Next one. The rat invites everyone to play with him. What the rat did? The rat invites everyone to play with him. But the rat was rejected by many. Rejected by the monkey, rejected by the frog, dog, rabbit, but also the rat invites everyone to play with him. Let us play together. Let us play together. Let us play together. Playing together. Playing together is always fun. Playing together is always fun, right? So what are the games we see today? What are the games they are playing? The dogs are playing cricket. The dogs are playing cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. The dogs are playing cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Next, the rabbit is flying a kite. Flying a kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Flying a kite. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying a kite. K-I-T-E, kite. This one is a second game. First game is cricket. Second one is flying a kite. Third one is swinging. Third game is swinging. swinging, swinging. So you have to put double ing. Swinging, 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 swinging. Okay, swinging, swinging. Okay, next one they are playing hopscotch. They are playing hopscotch. HOP, hop, scotch, SCOTCH, hopscotch. What is the spelling? HOPSCOTCH, hopscotch. Next one, they are playing sand castle. The rat is playing sand castle. SAND, sand. Castle, CASTLE, castle. Sand castle, SAND, sand castle. CASTLE, castle. Sand castle. Okay, what are the games playing here? Cricket, flying a kite, swinging, hopscotch, sand castle. Okay, and always playing together with one another is always fun. Playing together is always fun. Okay, next one, take book page number 102. Take your book, page number 102. Let us understand. Let us understand. Okay. A. Listen to the teacher and tick the correct picture. So, you have to listen to me. Okay. You have to listen to a teacher and tick the correct picture what I am saying. So, listen to my words carefully. A boy plays on a swing. A boy plays on a swing. Where is a boy plays on a swing? Here is a boy play in a swing. Right? Here is a boy play in a swing. So, we have to tick the correct picture. Second one, a girl flies a kite. Where is a girl flies a kite? Here is a girl flying a kite. A girl flies a kite. So, this is the correct one. So, we have to tick. Next one, third one. Some children play hopscotch. Some children play hopscotch. Where is the children playing hopscotch? Hopscotch means nondi vilayradhu. Where is the children playing hopscotch? Here are the children playing hopscotch. So, tick the correct one. Fourth one. Some children built a sand castle. Some children built a sand castle. Where is the children built a sand castle? Here are the children built a sand castle. So, we have to tick the right one. First one, a boy plays on a swing. A girl flies a kite. Some children play hopscotch. Some children built a sand castle. Okay. Next one. B. Circle the right word. Circle the right word. Is it clear? Circle the right word. Which one is right? We have to circle the right word. First one. Bat or swing. Here is a boy playing on a swing. So, which one is right? Swing is the right one. Here is a swing. Swing is the correct one. We have to circle the swing. Okay? My dear children, circle in your book swing. Second one, what is this? This one is a marbles. This one is a marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S. Marbles. Okay? This one is a marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S. Marbles. Third one, this one is a ball. This one is a ball. So the answer is kite or ball? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay, B-A-L-L. Ball. Next one, what is this? Kite or a swing? This is a kite. This is a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next one. What is this? Is it a sand castle or bat? This is a sand castle. S-A-N-D. Sand castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Sand castle. Here is a sand castle. So you have to circle the word sand castle. S-A-N-D. Sand castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Sand castle. My dear children, have you all circle on your book? Yes, page number 102. Okay. Next one, what is this? We used this to play cricket, right? This one is a bat. This one is bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Okay. This one is a bat. B-A-T. Bat. Next one. Listen, think and say. Listen, think and say. C1. Okay. Who flies a kite? Who flies a kite? Here is answer. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rabbit is flying a kite. Who flies a kite? Rabbit flies a kite. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Who has a bat? Who has a bat? Here is a dog having bat. So the dog is having the bat. The answer is dog has a bat. Dog has a bat. Who builds a sand castle? The rat builds a sand castle. The rat. Okay. Rat builds a sand castle. Fourth one. Whom do you like in the story? Why? My dear kutties, whom do you like in the story? Which character you like in the story? Rat. I like rat because the rat invites everyone to play with him. Okay? Because the rat invites everyone to play with him. Everyone in the park, monkeys, frogs, dogs, and the rabbit did not allow the rat to play with them. But the rat invites everyone to play with him. Okay? Rat, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat, comma, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because the, T-H-E, the rat, R-A-T, rat, invites, I-N-V-I-T-E-S, invites everyone, E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. This one is V. Everyone to, T-O-2, play, P-L-A-Y, play with, W-I-T-H, with him, H-I-M, him. Okay. Fifth one, do you like to play alone or with your friends? Why? My dear kutties, do you like to play alone or with your friends? I like to play with friends. I like to play with friends. Full stop. Because playing together always fun. Because playing together is always fun. Playing together is always fun. Do you like to play alone or with friends? Why? I like to play with friends. Because playing together always fun. Playing together always fun. Next one, think zone. Color and show what comes next. This is the activity you have to do. First one is a purple, red, purple, red, purple. So here comes red color. So you have to color this one red. I don't have red color. So my dear children, you have to color this one as red. Next here, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green. So here you have to color green color. Okay, here you have to put green color. Here is a red color. Okay children, today your assignment is you have to color this one and this one, and also you have to send a voice note or a video on the first two question only. Okay, first two question only. Who flies a kite? Rabbit flies a kite. Who has a bat? Dog has a bat. This is your assignment today. Okay, you have to send a voice note or a video message, which you prefer. You have to send on the first two questions only. Okay, first two questions like who flies a kite? Rabbit flies a kite. Who has a bat? Dog has a bat. Okay, these two questions is your assignment. You have to orally you have to tell. You don't need to write, only oral one. oral test. Okay, students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay children, soon we all will meet, so daily you have to send your assignment in our group. Okay, today the first 2 months is your homework. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.